For law of diminishing marginal returns, this occurs when more and more variable factor is added to a fixed factor. So we start thinking about diminishing means it's coming down. So when we start increasing our variable factor, like maybe labor, because of increasing output, then there's going to be a stage that those workers that we are increasing the numbers of workers using the same output, using the same fixed cost, fixed factor. Like this is a building. This is, okay, let's say this is an office. We work here. So because we want to increase our output, we continue to employ more workers. There's going to be a stage that workers here will be meeting each other. There's not going to be space for them to work anymore because it's not going to occupy them. So then output productivity will start falling because one worker is disturbing another. We are increasing, we are employing them so that output will increase, right? So as soon as the more we increase, the more numbers of variable factors that we increase. If we continue to increase it with one fixed factor, then there will be a stage that it will reach, then there will be the law of diminishing marginal returns. That is when the extra variable factor, which is being employed, starts becoming a problem to productivity. You get the point here?
Yeah.
You have a space. The space you have, the working space you have, it's capital, which is fixed. Then you continue to employ workers. There's going to be a stage that the numbers of workers you have employed cannot, there's no space for them to do whatever they need to do within that space. You get the point?
Yes.
So at that point in time, one worker will be crossing the path of another, creating problem. Then, why did you employ them? You employ them to increase your productivity, to increase your output. So the reason for employing them would not be met. Then that's what we call law of diminishing marginal returns. So what goes up now is coming down.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Yes.
So this is because you continue to use a fixed factor by increasing the numbers of variable factors. Do you get it? Yes. Just like you continue to use a machine for different resources. There's going to be a time that the machine would just pack off.
Yes,
Stop. Okay. So that is what we call law of diminishing marginal returns. So when you continue to increase your variable cost, your variable factor, and it starts leading to reduction in the output, then there's law of diminishing marginal returns.
Yes.
Is law of diminishing marginal returns clear?
Yeah.
Great.